Hey everyone, welcome back to Platter. Today, we're diving into something sweet, chocolatey, and just the right amount of spooky. Spooky Spider Web Brownies. These brownies are incredibly fudgy, rich, and topped with stretchy marshmallow webs that look like they crawled right out of a Halloween movie. And the best part, they're ridiculously easy to make. You only need a few ingredients and a little bit of that spooky spirit. So, what do you need? Just one box of your favorite brownie mix, prepared according to the package directions. Then, grab half a cup of marshmallows and about 2 tablespoons of spider sprinkles, or any fun Halloween-themed sprinkles you like. Seriously, that's it. 3 ingredients for the most festive fall dessert ever. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment paper. Pro tip, make sure the paper hangs over the sides so you can lift the brownies out easily later. Now, let's get our brownie mix ready. Just follow the instructions on the box ad, your eggs, oil, and water. And stir until everything is beautifully smooth and glossy. Pour that glorious batter into your prepared pan and use a spatula to spread it into a nice, even layer. Time to bake. Pop them in the oven until a knife inserted into the center comes out mostly clean. For most mixes, this will take around 25 to 30 minutes. You're aiming for fudgy, not dry. Once they're done, set them aside and let them cool completely. This step is super important. If the brownies are too warm, the marshmallow webs will just melt right in instead of sitting perfectly on top. Alright, now for the really fun part, the spider webs. Take your marshmallows and pop them in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave for about 30 seconds, just until they're fully melted and gooey. Give them a quick stir, then let them cool for just a minute until they become slightly tacky to the touch. Now, get ready to get your hands a little sticky, because this is where the magic happens. Pick up a small bit of the melted marshmallow between your fingers. Stretch it out into thin stringy webs, and start draping it all over your cooled brownies. Just keep pulling and stretching until your brownies look like they're covered in spooky, silky spider webs. You can go for a neat, classic web pattern or a totally messy, haunted house look. It's all up to your Halloween vibe. Once your brownies are beautifully webbed, it's time for the finishing touch, those adorable spider sprinkles. Just scatter them all over the top and let them stick to the marshmallow. If you can't find spider-shaped sprinkles, don't worry. Black, orange, or purple Halloween sprinkles will look just as amazing. Now, just take a moment to admire your spooky creation. These brownies look like they came straight from a Halloween bakery window. Once everything has set, carefully lift the brownies out of the pan using the parchment paper handles and place them on a cutting board. Use a clean knife to slice them into squares, and just watch those gooey marshmallow webs stretch with every single slice. The inside is so rich and chocolatey, and the top has that soft, chewy marshmallow texture that makes every bite feel like Halloween in dessert form. These are perfect for your Halloween party, a spooky movie night, or just to enjoy with a warm drink by the fire. And there you have it, your very own Spooky Spider Web Brownies. Easy, fun, and absolutely delicious. If you loved this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss another cozy fall recipe from Platter. I'd love to know, what's your favorite Halloween treat? Let me know in the comments, and I might just feature it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cozy, stay creative, and keep pulsing with flavor.